Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best outdoor string lights that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Fibrave Outdoor String Lights. These 40-foot-long string lights come with 14 LED G40 shatterproof bulbs, plus one spare, making them a practical option for smaller spaces like porches, patios, and even indoor setups. The adjustable brightness allows you to create the perfect ambiance, whether it's for a cozy dinner or a lively gathering. Plus, these lights are connectable, so you can expand them to fit larger spaces if needed. In terms of design and build, the Fibrave lights feature durable plastic bulbs, which makes them lightweight and less prone to breakage compared to glass alternatives. They're built to withstand various weather conditions, including rain, snow, and wind, thanks to their waterproof rating. At 2700K, the warm white glow is inviting and not overpowering, which is ideal for creating a relaxed atmosphere. However, the 40-foot length may be limiting for larger outdoor setups, so consider this if you have a bigger area to cover. While these lights are energy efficient, consuming just 1 watt per bulb, their shorter length and smaller number of bulbs mean they might not be as impactful as longer strings. However, their affordability and ease of use make them a great choice for smaller spaces or those just starting to decorate with string lights. Pros include their lightweight design, shatterproof bulbs, and energy efficiency. On the downside, the shorter length and fewer bulbs might not suit everyone's needs. Overall, the Fibrave lights are a solid entry-level option for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor spaces. Coming in at number 4, we have the Adlon 50 feet LED outdoor string lights. These lights are designed with vintage Edison-style bulbs that add a classic charm to any outdoor setting. With 15 sockets and 16 shatterproof bulbs, one spare included, these lights offer a great balance between durability and aesthetic appeal. They're also dimmer compatible, allowing you to adjust the brightness to fit any mood or occasion. The build quality is excellent. With shatterproof plastic bulbs and an IP65 waterproof rating that ensures the lights can withstand harsh weather conditions like rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. The 50-foot length provides good coverage for medium-sized spaces, making them ideal for patios, decks, and pergolas. While the warm yellow light color leans more towards a vintage aesthetic, it might not be everyone's preference if you're looking for a more modern vibe. One of the standout features is their energy efficiency, with LED bulbs that reduce electricity usage by up to 98% compared to traditional incandescent bulbs. This makes them a great long-term investment for those looking to save on energy costs. However, the dimmer switch is not included, which could be a drawback for some users. Pros include their robust build, energy efficiency, and vintage charm. On the flip side, the lack of an included dimmer and slightly higher weight compared to others on this list might be something to consider. Overall, the Adlon lights are perfect for those wanting a combination of durability, style, and energy savings. At number 3, we have the Brytown Outdoor String Lights. These 50-foot-long lights feature 25 G40 shatterproof bulbs, plus 2 spares, which makes them an excellent choice for medium-sized outdoor spaces. What sets these apart is their end-to-end connectivity, allowing you to link up to 28 strings together for maximum coverage, perfect for larger events or expansive backyards. In terms of build and design, the Brytown lights are lightweight, making them easy to install and store. The shatterproof plastic bulbs are a thoughtful addition for safety, and the IP65 waterproof rating ensures they can handle rainy or snowy weather without issue. The warm white 2700K glow adds a relaxing and romantic atmosphere to any space, and the lights are dimmer compatible for added customization. However, the dimmer is not included, so that's an extra cost to consider. Performance-wise, these lights are energy efficient and offer a lifespan of up to 6,000 hours, which is slightly shorter than some competing products, but still practical for regular use. The Brighttown lights are well suited for those who need flexibility and scalability in their lighting setup. Pros include their long length, connectability, and ease of installation. On the downside, the shorter bulb lifespan and lack of an included dimmer might deter some buyers. Overall, the Brighttown lights are a versatile and reliable option for anyone looking to illuminate larger spaces with ease. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 are the Lucky Style 100 feet LED outdoor string lights. With 35 shatterproof S11 bulbs plus one spare, these lights offer 20% more lighting nodes than standard 50-foot strings, ensuring brighter and more consistent illumination. One of the standout features here is the included remote control, which allows you to adjust brightness levels or use stepless dimming to create the perfect ambiance with ease. The build quality is superb, with heavy-duty wires and a reinforced PVC coating that provides exceptional durability. These lights are waterproof and shatterproof, making them ideal for year-round outdoor use in all weather conditions. The 24V low-voltage operation adds an extra layer of safety, particularly for families with kids or pets. At 2700K, the warm white glow is both vibrant and inviting, perfect for weddings, garden parties, or just relaxing evenings outdoors. While these lights are slightly heavier than some other options due to their robust design, the extra durability and included remote make them worth the investment. Pros include the remote control, extended length, and enhanced safety features. On the downside, the higher weight and reliance on batteries for the remote could be minor inconveniences. Overall, the Lucky Style lights are perfect for anyone looking for a premium, feature-rich lighting solution for large outdoor spaces. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Brightever LED outdoor string lights. These 100-foot-long lights come with 52 shatterproof ST38 vintage Edison bulbs, offering an unbeatable combination of style, durability, and performance. The classic bistro-style design adds a sophisticated touch to any outdoor space, while the 2700K warm white glow creates a cozy ambiance that's perfect for everything from intimate gatherings to festive parties. The build quality here is exceptional. The heavy-duty wires are designed for durability, and the shatterproof plastic bulbs ensure safety and longevity. With a weatherproof rating that handles rain, wind, snow, and extreme temperatures up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, these lights are built to last year-round. They're also dimmer-compatible for added lighting flexibility, though you'll need to purchase a dimmer separately. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the built-in hooks and zip ties. And with the ability to connect up to 15 strands, these lights can cover even the largest areas effortlessly. Performance-wise, the Brightever lights shine bright, literally and figuratively. They save up to 90% on energy costs compared to incandescent bulbs and boast a lifespan of over 30,000 hours. Pros include their extended length, superior build quality, and energy efficiency. The only downside is that the dimmer is not included, which might be an additional cost for some. Overall, the Brightever lights are the ultimate choice for anyone seeking high-quality, versatile, and stylish outdoor lighting. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.